Hello, welcome to AWS Learn. Hello guys, today we are going to see how to create and connect to RDS database instance. So first log in into your AWS Management Console, search for RDS service, click on it, and this is a home page for RDS service, and you can see there is no database running at the moment. So click on databases from left panel, no DB there. So go ahead and click on create database. So there are two methods of database creation. One is standard create and one is easy create. We'll choose standard create to explore more options. And when it comes to available engines, there are six, including Amazon Aurora, then MySQL, MariaDB, PostgreSQL, Oracle, and Microsoft SQL Server. So we'll choose Oracle for this demo. So Oracle Enterprise Edition is something which is widely used for production use cases, but we don't have free tier available for that. So if you see, there are templates for production and dev and test, but there is nothing for free tier. So when we go ahead and choose standard edition, it gives us option for free tier. So choose that and go into setting. So first is DB instance identifier, which is just unique name for this RDS, and this you can choose credentials like just key in master password and confirm that. Even you have option to choose auto generate a password, which AWS will create it for you. So I just key in my own password. And when it comes to DB instance size, like for free tier, only burstable classes are available. We'll choose T3 micro. That's the only available. We'll just keep it as is and proceed with next options. So storage, we either can choose general purpose or provision IOPS, but for this tutorial purpose, just keep it general purpose. So auto scaling is advanced option. I don't want to use it here. And then multi-AZ, which is like creating a standby for your database, is not available for free tier. So let's proceed. So this is important, like public access, or you just want to keep it private. Usually for like it's real world scenario, right? You'll always keep private. But for this, I just want to make it easy and choose public access. So just click on S to keep it public and then go to VPC security group. So either you can create new one and just give them some name for security group, any name you can give it here, or just if you already have security group, just choose existing one and choose it from drop down. Yeah, so I already have one security group created earlier, so I'm just using that. So just look at the advanced configuration. We can change port if you want. 1521 is the Oracle default port, but you can choose if you want something different. Then database creation, I'll just give some name, say like testdb, right? You can give anything. And this parameter group and optional group, these are really important settings, but we can discuss it later. But for now, I'm just keeping it default, but I'll explain it later. So enable automatic backup. I'll just disable it for now. Even same goes with encryption, just disable it. And yeah, you can just proceed and look at this log exports. So what are the logs you want AWS to put it in your CloudWatch group? So I'm just choosing two, and then IAM role is default. Okay, then yeah. So most of the things we kept as a default. I just clicked on create database. So this will take time. I have seen like it takes at least few minutes. So I'll just pause this video instead of keeping you on wait, and we'll start once I see that database is available. Okay, so here you go. So database is created and we can see the status available. Okay, so I'll show you how to connect to this instance. Like we can use sqlplus when it comes to Oracle, right? So you can choose any SQL client to connect. I'm just using sqlplus, and you need one thing is endpoint, which is like you can consider this as a host name, the endpoint you can choose it, then port, and then database name. These are the three information you always need to connect to your database instance. One is endpoint, then port, and database name. So I just have one SQL client and I have that on EC2 server. So as I said, like you can even connect from your local desktop wherever you have SQL plus client, right? You can use that and just connect to it. And even SQL developer told if you are comfortable with that, you can just use it. So just give the password and yeah, you are connected. So if you see it here, just select name. This is a just few sample query I'm running just to make sure that we are connected to the right database, and that is what it is. So we are connected to testdb, which was just created using RDS, which is a managed service, managed database service from AWS. Thanks for watching. And if you like it, make sure you share this video so that we can help others learn, and do subscribe so you do not miss out new tutorials which I'll be coming up with. Thank you. Thanks again. Thanks for watching.